I've chosen Ellesmere College because I always wanted to have an abroad experience, and Ellesmere College seemed the best option. I started to focus earlier on what I wanted to do at university, medicine, and so now I'm taking subjects as just biology, chemistry, and maths, and other subjects like history, English. Teacher have always tried to help me and people to socialize with me, even if I wasn't able to speak. And I found so many different friends from all around the world. For example, my roommate is from India, and like we are really friends now. And so I'm glad of my experience. And also the sense of a community in Ellesmere is very strong.
Everyone helps each other and everyone feels the same for everyone. And so this was one of my first reasons why I came here. The second reason was for improving my sports, because I'm a rugby player and I keep this passion from when I was little and I want to go further with it. Ellesmere supported my goals and ambition, giving me a scholarship that helped me come to this school and make most of my goals already here, because rugby here is in a different way, seen in a different way from Italy, and also my goals by helping me, giving me a further option when on my studies, because IB helped me a lot with my studies and gives me lots of help for my future experiences.
There are so many activities and so many possibilities for whoever wants to take them. For example, when I came here I couldn't speak English at all, and now I've been a vice captain of the first rugby team, and I'm a prefect, and I hope I'll get in a medical university in September. So I would say that engaging, and the best thing of Ellesmere is that gives you possibilities if you want to take them.